Hello guys, I transplant now my seedling to this seedling because they are already like growing in this tree. So I have to transplant it in the panit. This one is the panit because they are already looks leggy, so needs to transplant to individual panit. So this one is broccoli and cauliflower like that. They're very small seedling now, so I need to transplant it in here in the panit. So when they grow, when they have proper leaves already, maybe 3 to 5 leaves, I will transplant it in the garden. So this is what I will do now. And also I have already here, you see my broccoli, so they are already here. So after maybe in 2 weeks time, they are ready in the garden. So this is my winter vegetable: broccoli, cauliflower, and cabbage. Thank you for watching. Bye.